This video is for you if you want to create reels like a pro that can actually get you anywhere from 1 million to 20 millions of views. Now, if you know anything about me, for about 3 years now, I have not promoted anything on JD Zoo or Warrior Plus because I was really upset with quality of products that were coming out. So when I saw this from my friend Mark that I trust, I actually ended up taking a look at the product, and I can really say I was simply impressed by it. This is not your typical AI stuff. This is the real pro style video reels that you can post on social media and get tons of views. If you provide services to businesses, if you are creating your own brand, if you have an e-com store, all of these are going to work for you. I'm actually going to put videos of reels, examples of creation of these reels right below this video. But I want to show you what's inside of the members area. Like I said, I'm really impressed with the product. I know Mark, and he does not put junk on the market. He hasn't launched in like 3 years because he was, as myself, fed up with the whole industry. Like I said, I really enjoy this one. And basically, when you start, you want to go through welcome, storytelling with reels, and how to shoot cinematic videos. These are going to give you inside look or inside understanding of how you want to take your shots so you can create impressive reels. Like I said, reels are going to be listed right below this video, so make sure you look at the examples. So once you are in and you go through these, it's going to be like, I want to say about 12 to 13 minutes altogether here. And then you want to go through camera settings, how to stabilize your video shots, how to edit on Llama Fusion. You can do this in CapCut most likely as well. It's one of the tools recommended, but he does this in Luma Fusion. It's just an upgrade to a software, but it's one-time fee. And then all these transitions that he does in these reels, like selfie transition, the whip transition, the sky transition, the hand transition, honestly, these are amazing. Like when I looked at this, I was just, wow, blown away. You'll also want to go through these in terms of like how to edit the videos, how to add keyframes, zoom effects, and things like that. But then if you want to fast track, you have an upgrade, which is fast track templates, reel breakdowns, and you can access it here. Monetization masterclass. This is how you can make money with selling these reels or, creating reels for other influencers and things like that. And if you want mentoring, how you can get a mentoring session using this. All of these are upgrades, just so you know, but I definitely recommend you do get fast track because it's awesome. And if you don't know how to monetize, then this would be a good upgrade. But this is not like you have to get all of these in order to make the product work. The product by itself, just all these transitions and how to shoot the videos and how to storytell with reels, that's enough for you to have success with this. And now that you have watched that, one more thing. I have actually thought about the bonus for you. And because I am going into social media a little more and I want to create my own reels that are impactful like these, I am going to start a 30-day challenge, and it's going to start March 11th. And it's going to be inside of the Telegram group. So you get direct access to me. Basically, the group is going to be for a bunch of us who actually want to succeed with this in real life, not using some cheesy techniques, to start posting for 30 days and start getting loads of views on your reels that can actually grow your business. Just remember, when it comes to videos, you're just one video away from having massive success. See you on the inside.